the ice. It is cold. The lake is not frozen though. It's mostly ice everywhere. You can see these trees, whatnot, mostly frozen. The ducks seem fine. Well, the geese. Near the geese right now. Everything is frozen in ice. It's empty. Oh. Close look. All the lovely thick branches of tree. Just frozen. This is absolutely slippery and dangerous. The geese are doing fine. Plants are frozen solid. Every single one of them. Just ice. Dripping. Frozen. Frozen in time. Well, ducks seem alright. The lake is not frozen. It's not frozen at all, actually. The branches. Let's see. Some ice here. It's very slippery. Ice, ice. They don't seem to be bothered by the water. We'll head on to this beach because why not? This is completely frozen solid. Let's see.